I'm audible to all. Am I audible? Okay, can I start class? Can I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tilt displacement, how we define tilt displacement is the displacement or difference between the distance of image on a point, on tilted photograph or image on same point without tilted photograph from the isocenter. So what is the isocenter? What is the isocenter? Isocenter क्या होता है? So isocenter is defined as a point in which bisector of angle of tilt meet the photograph is known as isocenter. So here some technical term is used only. Screen is visible to all. Whiteboard is visible, na?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
isocenter. First term is isocenter, and tilt displacement is also measured from the isocenter. Okay. So what is isocenter? Isocenter is the bisector of angle of tilt meet the photograph okay, and it generally lies isocenter. Where is the lies? At principal line generally lies at principal line. Okay, so tilt displacement is measured from the isocenter, and tilt displacement is the difference between the distance of image point on tilted condition and same point on image without tilted condition. So why the tilt is occur, why the tilt displacement is occur? So due to tilt condition or oblique condition of camera, so it is an error of position of a point on photograph due to indeliberate of tilting of aircraft. So why aircraft is tilting? What is the reason? What is the reason of tilt occur? So due to instability of aircraft, first reason for the tilt image is the cause of tilt occurs. First is the instability of aircraft. In that condition, tilt may be occur. Second condition may be due to tilting of aircraft along the flight line. Tilting of aircraft along the flight line or perpendicular to the flight line. Flight line is the line at which aircraft is placed. So tilting of aircraft along the flight height or flight line, along the flight line, and it also due to increase radially from the isocenter. Increase radially. Tilt displacement also increase radially from the isocenter. Okay, so this is the reason of tilt image. And what is isocenter? Isocenter is the what? Isocenter is the bisector of angle of tilt mid of the photograph. Okay, some also technical term is used in photogrammetry. That is, first is the fiducial mark. Fiducial mark. So what is fiducial mark? Daisy Rani, please mute your audio. So fiducial mark is one of 2 or 3 or 4 marks located in contact with the photograph emulsion in camera image, and it provides a reference line or line for a plate measurement of image. So fiducial line is basically a reference line. Reference line for image measurement. Reference line for image measurement, or it is in terms of mark. It mark is either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Okay. Next is the principal point. Principal point is denoted in also relief displacement, that is O point. So what is principal point? Principal point So principal point is a point where perpendicular dropped from the front nodal point strike. The photograph is known as principal point. So principal point how we shown in the figure. If image is formed here and principal point is on the lens line, along the lens line, here is the principal point O. So principal point is the perpendicular drop from the front nodal point strike the photograph is known as principal point. And what is focal length? These all term used in optics also. So जब हम लोग लेंस का इन डिटेल अगर स्टडी करेंगे तो ये सब पॉइंट्स हमें जानने की जरूरत है. प्रिंसिपल पॉइंट, नादिर पॉइंट, ऑल्सो नादिर पॉइंट इज यूज्ड. सो व्हाट इज नादिर पॉइंट? नादिर पॉइंट, नादिर पॉइंट ऑल्सो वी कैन से प्लम पॉइंट. नादिर पॉइंट और प्लम पॉइंट. प्लम, नादिर पॉइंट और प्लम पॉइंट. नादिर, nadir point or plumb point. So a point, nadir point is a point where a plumb line drop from the front nodal point strike the photograph. And what is plumb line? Plumb line क्या होता है? Plumb line what is plumb line? Plumb bob क्या होता है? What is plumb bob? Where plumb bob is used? What is plumb bob? Can you hear my voice?
सेंटरिंग करने के लिए यूज करते हैं मैम.
ओके, सो प्लम्ब लाइन क्या होता है? व्हाट इज प्लम्ब लाइन?
मैम इमेजिनरी लाइन होता है जो सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ को ज्वाइन करता है मैम कोई भी सरफेस से.
Means simple we can say dropped line of plumb bob. Dropped line of plumb bob. It is also known as plumb line. So here also nadir point or plumb point we can define as a point where a plumb line dropped from the front nodal point and strike the photograph. फोटोग्राफ पे जहां पे भी अगर हम लोग प्लम्ब लाइन ड्रॉप करते हैं और वो जहां पे स्ट्राइक करता है, दैट पॉइंट इज नोन एज प्लम्ब पॉइंट. ओके, मोस्ट सिंपल टेक्निकल टर्म यूज्ड इन फोटोग्राफ इज फ्लाइंग हाइट. व्हाट इज फ्लाइंग हाइट? Also we used in a scale also and relief displacement also represent as capital H. So what is flying height?
Height of air station from MSL ma'am.
Exactly, height of air station. So flying height is defined as the elevation of air station above the mean sea level. Okay, above the mean sea level. One more term is used, that is exposure station. Exposure or air station. Exposure. Exposure point. And exposure point also known as air station. What is air station? This all point is discussed earlier. Air station
मैम जहाँ से फोटोग्राफ एयर में कैप्चर करते हैं.
means at that point where camera is fixed or lens is exactly fixed, okay, above the ground,
Ground.
okay. So it is exposure, it is also known as exposure, okay. In question also written as exposure point, air station is written in terms of exposure point. So where it is given in question also exposure point. So exposure point means at that point camera is fixed, means air station, okay. So exposure point or air station is exact position of front nodal point of lens in the air at instant of exposure, okay. Means camera is used, camera is fixed and lens at the point where lens is exactly fixed at the time of exposure, means at the time of clicking image, okay, at the time of clicking image or focusing image. At the time of exposure means what? At the time of it start to work, at the time of it focusing image, that term is used as exposure, okay. So okay, now I share my screen to show some images of tilted or actual images. Okay, this image is clear. So this image show the tilt effect of image. So in first image, tilting is not occurs, means exact image, but in second image, in this image is tilt image. This image is tilted image, this image is without tilting condition. See the difference? Okay, next image is RC camera inside the aircraft. This is the camera fixed on aircraft, and this is the photograph click by RC camera. Okay, this type of photograph, and this is the general view. This is the general view of photograph by RC camera. So this point is known as what? This point is known as exposure point. Exposure point or air station. Okay. This rays is reflected. This rays is reflected. Okay. Here a plane is created, and at this place he also is at focal length image is formed. And this is the overlapping condition. This is the overlapping condition. Okay. So next image is the interpretation through the map and aerial photograph. So this is the image. This is the image created by camera. Okay. This is the image created by RC camera.
मैम कोरोना इमेज लिखा हुआ है।
वो 69 का इमेज बस यहाँ पे इंटरप्रेट किया गया है, इस पे ध्यान मत दो। ये बस आरसी कैमरा से जिस टाइप का इमेज हमें फाउंड हो रहा है, हर एक ईयर में देखो थोड़ा थोड़ा इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है। 69 at the time of 69 image found at this type from RC camera. In 2005 satellite image, that is the difference. Satellite image is very clear. So this is the difference between 69 image and 2005 image. Here also in 1957 aerial image is found at this type. Okay, and in aerial image in 1981 so जो कब से photogrammetry used हो रहा है 65 onwards. So 1981 से इस टाइप के images हमें मिले. Then satellite image in 98 also. Satellite image in 98. This is also image of different types of land. So image of Kathmandu. Okay, image of Kathmandu. So this is not required. Different areas image, that is also a photo image of 57. This is the this type of image. Here year is not mentioned in second image. Here we can see the difference 81 image and 88 image. 81 image and 98 image. So this type of image we can find from RC cameras, and processing of clicking image is this type. One area is capturing on 3 or 4 times by overlapping method. Okay, at same place we click the image by overlapping. Overlapping is approximately 33% or 30% approximately. So this type of image we can from the RC cameras by aerial photograph method. So now we can solve objective question on photogrammetry. So write a simple question. Okay, question is determine the scale. Write a question. Determine the scale at elevation point if the value of focal length, height of a station, and height of mean sea level are given by 23 centimeter, 76 centimeter, and 20 centimeter. So determine the scale of elevation point. We have to find a scale, and a scale equal to what? F by h minus h. And given information is the focal length f is given 23 centimeter. Height of a station, that is exposure point given, that is 76 centimeter, and height of mean sea level, h small h is given what? 20 centimeter. We have to find scale. So a scale equal to what? F by h minus h. So calculate the value of a scale. Calculate the value of vertical scale. What is the value? .41 centimeter. 0.41 centimeter. .41 centimeter. Is this clear to everyone?
यस मैम. मैम वैल्यू लिखाएगा स्केल में.
हाँ
मैम स्केल में तो 1/, कुछ लिखा आता है ना इस तरह करके.
वो हमारे मैप स्केल में आता था. यहाँ पे हम लोग अगर वैल्यू दिया जा रहा है डिटरमाइन द स्केल, देन वी कैन आल्सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ
decimal.
What is the value? F equal to 23 divided by H. H is what?
Elevation of air station.
76, and small h is the mean sea level height is the 20 centimeter. So value is the 0.41. 0.41. Okay, clear to everyone? Next question is also based on scale. So write a question. What will be the average elevation? What will be the average elevation of terrain if a scale is given 43 meter? If a scale is given as 43 meter, focal length and height of a station is 4 meter and 20 meter. So we have to calculate elevation height, average elevation. Given information is scale. Given information is a scale. A scale is 43 meter. Focal length is also given. Focal length is 4 meter, and height of a station is given is 20 meter. We have to calculate small h. What is the value? Small h का value क्या होगा? Scale equal to f by h minus h average. H average we have to calculate. What is the value of h average? Value of h is value of f is given 4 meter. H flight height is given 20 meter and a small h, and the scale is also given 43. 43 equal to 4 by 20 minus h. Solve this equation. Find the value of h. Find the value of h.
Ma'am, 19.9.
19.9. Any other value? Anyone who any other value?
No, ma'am.
सबके 19.9 आ गए. So h equal to 19.9 meters. This is the average elevation of terrain, means height of the ground from mean sea level. Okay. So next is the objective question. So listen carefully the statement. Photographic scale can be determined by using photo distance. Is this statement is true or false? Photographic scale can be determined by using photo distance.
No, ma'am.
No. Statement is correct or not? Okay, write the statement and think about it. Write a statement. Note down a statement. Photographic scale can be determined by using the photo distance. This statement is true or false. One other question is given here. So write another statement about true and false. For finding the scale of photograph, the point must be equally elevated. This statement is also true and false. Statement is for finding the scale of photograph, the point must be equally elevated. This statement is true or false. Both statements are correct or not, true or false. Which of the following can hold the film of focal plane? Question is, which of the following can hold the film of the focal plane? Option is the first, magazine. Second is the convergence. Second is the convergence. Third is the divergence. And fourth is the intersection. Four option is here, A, B, C, D. So which of the following can hold the film of focal plane? Magazine, convergence, divergence, or intersection? Also discussed in first class. Which can the film of focal plane?
Ma'am, magazine.
Magazine, correct. Magazine hold the film of focal plane. Okay. So next question is, which of the following is placed in between lens elements? Option is diaphragm. B option is lens. C option is line of sight. D option is magazine.
Ma'am, diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Diaphragm is correct or not?
Correct, ma'am.
Diaphragm is placed between lens element. Lens element के बीच में क्या होता है? Diaphragm. Which of the following doesn't include lens? All about camera properties and camera parts of cameras. All question based on part of cameras. So which of the following doesn't include in lens? First option is filter. Second is shutter. Diaphragm, and D is the azimuth. Which of the following is doesn't include in lens? Filter, lens, shutter, diaphragm, or azimuth? All about aerial cameras, not phototheodolite. Which of the following doesn't include lens? So part of camera is which one? Filter, shutter, diaphragm, or azimuth? All are part of camera or not? All four options are part of camera or not? Filter is a part of camera. Filter is a part of camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Shutter is a part of camera. Shutter is a part of camera. Shutter तो normal cameras में भी होते हैं. Shutter is also part of camera. Diaphragm is a part of camera.
Yes, ma'am.
And azimuth.
मैम शटर होना चाहिए इसका आंसर.